The book Pakistan, A Hard Country was written by Anatole Levin. The book The Great Illusion was written by Norman Angell. The book No Higher Honor was written by Condoleezza Rice. The book Sapiens was written by Yuval Noah. Article Dash of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with vote of no confidence against Prime Minister. Article 95. Dash session of Council of Foreign Ministers of OIC was held in Islamabad in March 2022. 48. Mariupol is the name of a city of Ukraine. Kautilya was the chief advisor of Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. CIS is the regional organization situated in Central East. Name of President Chinese Foreign Minister is Wang Yi. The height of world's tallest building Burj Khalifa is dash meters 828. Dash is the current US Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan died on 10th October 2021. Squash legend Jahangir Khan won dash matches in row 555. The headquarters of ECO is in Tehran. Total membership of EU is 27. Current President of the UN General Assembly is Abdullah Shahid. The currency of Norway is Norwegian krone. Total membership of SAARC is 8. The capital of Canada is Ottawa.